Hello friend, I'm Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics. In this video, I talk about shear strength of soil, and from this video, the shear strength of soil topic has started. So this is basically an introduction video. Okay? This is an introduction video. So in this video, basically we cover a few initial part. So I am writing here. First, I talk I talk about what do you mean by shear. Yeah, it may be shear stress or it may be strength. Uh, how it actually works in soil. Number three, what do you mean by shear strength of soil? And there is few factor for which shear stress of soil is dependency. So yeah, this video will be a very short video as an introduction. So let's get started. By the way, if you are new in my channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for never miss an update because I'm coming with this types of video almost every day. So that let we talk about shear stress. Okay, I know this is a soil mechanics subject, but this shear stress is exactly comes from the strength of material. Okay, so now I just draw a diagram. Suppose that is a body. Okay, that is a body, and in this body, suppose you apply a external force in this direction. That means this external force acting on this particular plane on either 0 degree or 180 degree, or you can say this is a parallel to the plane mentioned. If it's acting 0 degree or 180 degree or parallel to the plane, then basically this force is known as your shear force. So you are applying shear force, and within few time you will see that the body is deformed in this way. Then if this is your theta angle, then tan theta equal to this length by this length. Suppose this is your x length, this is y length, then you can say tan theta equal to x by y. Okay, that is known as your shear strain. Okay, so first what happening, you are applying a force which is 0 degree or 180 degree or parallel to the plane. That force is known as a shear force. Then due to applying this force, you will see within few time there is some deformation, that is theta angle x by y, that is your shear strain, and the body start to resist this deformation. This resisting force, resisting internal force by area, that is known as your shear stress. Very simple. So that first external force, then shear strain, then shear stress. So here shear strain is your independent and shear stress is dependent. Okay, so that's whole thing are a soil mechanics point of view. But our concern is that shear strength. So in a very layman language or simple language, if you apply the force to a body, then this body don't deform at first. So body, what body do? This body start to resistance the external force by applying internal resisting force. So ये जो resistance a body ने show कर रहा है, that is a known called strength. But this body जो strength show कर रहा है वो किसके लिए show कर रहा है? shear force के लिए show कर रहा है. So that become shear strength. ठीक है सर? So now we have a very basic knowledge or very basic clear idea that what do you mean by shear, what do you mean by shear force, what do you mean by shear strain, what do you mean by shear strength. Okay, now I talk about shear strength of soil. In soil mechanics, what is our final goal? That is, find out the bearing capacity without settlement. So in this bearing capacity, what we found? In this bearing capacity, we found the shear stress. Because suppose bearing capacity of a soil is, but suppose say 150 kilonewton per meter square. That means when you apply a force that less than 150, this soil resist this load. This resistance is a shear strength, because this, when you go to the active earth pressure or passive earth pressure, you will show the how a vertical force convert to the shear force, or you can say vertical force how convert to the horizontal force. Okay, but if the force is greater than this 150 kilonewton per meter square by stress, then the soil cannot resist. वेरी सिंपल सा बात है. सपोज आप पानी पूरी जो होता है गोलगप्पे वो 10 खा सकते हो, आपको मैं 15 खा दे दिया और आप खा लिया तो क्या होगा? आप लैट्रिन जाओगे भाई. सिंपल सा बात है. तो आप रजिस्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो. सिंपल सा बात है. सो दैट फॉर बियरिंग कैपेसिटी calculation we need the shear stress. Okay, so that is why shear strength of soil is very much important, and these shear strength depend upon three parameters. Okay, these three parameters is first structural resistance, number two frictional resistance, and number three cohesion. So that structural resistance comes from effective stress जो हमने पढ़ लिया. इसीलिए effective stress खत्म होने के बाद मैं shear stress में आ रहा हूँ. Everything will be linking. So my humble request, still, if you didn't watch this effective stress, there will be playlist, there will be 19 video, just go and check out. Frictional resistance there is a phi and cohesion is C. So that in soil there is lots of variation, but this all variation you can define by either sigma plus phi combination, either sigma plus cohesion combination. So we'll know further detail in coming video. So in this video, if someone asks you, what do you mean by shear strength? What do you mean by shear strength of soil? So that you have to say basic idea. So as per layman language, you can say that its resistance from deformation in soil under act of shear stress. बस अगर ये यही तक आपने बोल दिया then everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Okay, so yes, this is all about the introduction video of shear strength of soil, where I discussed about what do you mean by shear stress. For defining shear stress, I talk about shear force, then talk about shear strain, then I talk about shear stress definition, and then I talk about what do you mean by shear strain, and यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा का पूरा लिख दिया कैसे shear strain generate हो सकता है, and what do you mean by shear strain of soil, and यहाँ पे मैंने एक bearing stress का एग्जाम्पल दिया 150 किलोमीटर पर मीटर स्क्वायर, और यहाँ पे मैंने बात किया shear stress को आप more visualize कर पाओगे when you go to the or when you read about the lateral earth pressure LEP. So now we talk about shear strength. There is a 3 parameter that depend on shear strength. There is structural resistance, then frictional resistance and cohesion. And at the last, I talk about what do you mean by shear strength of soil. So guys, if there is any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you are thinking something you learn new, then like the video, share the video, because your liking motivates me, inspire me to make such kind of conceptful video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Still, if you are watching my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I'm coming with these types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.